See, like during my childhood, like it was not that easy to come out like with your sexuality, and I don't think like we need any label, you know, क्योंकि बचपन से मैं खुद को औरत ही मानते आई हूँ और मैं औरत की बच्ची हूँ। क्या मुझे मेरी औरत होने पे मतलब इतना प्रॉब्लम क्यों? तो मैं एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ, चाहे हम कितना भी अच्छा हो या कितना भी अच्छा काम करे, नजर का ऑपरेशन कर सकते पर नजरिए का नहीं। और ये लोगों का नजरिया ही बदलना चाहिए। लो किया था, एवरीवन इन माय स्कूल्स माय क्लास स्टार्टेड लाफिंग ऑन मी कि ये बच्चा लड़कियों जैसा क्यों नाचता है, यू नो व्हाई शी इज सो फेमिनाइन। बट मैंने मेरी lucky me, touch wood, like I got a teacher, very supportive teachers. She gave me the opportunity to come and express my femininity in front of the students. एंड वो जमाना बहुत ये था, मतलब जो लोग मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे थे वो लोग मेरे लिए ताली बजाना चालू किया था, यू नो। सो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ ना कि बहुत साल हम लोग ने ट्रांसजेंडर्स ने ताली बजाया, पर कभी हमारे लिए भी ताली बजनी चाहिए। यही मैं हमेशा चाहती हूँ लोगों से, यू नो।
It's We had the Performing Arts Festival. So Mr. Anupam Siddhant, the great director of all our paths, really asked me if I wanted to do a pole dance, and considering that in a space like IIT, no girl would want to do it, or shall we say, no girl would find it as comfortable to do it. He asked me, and I said, "Fine, I don't mind playing a transgender bar dancer." So yeah, I performed the pole dance playing the transgender bar dancer. The character's name was Reshma. It's not just performing arts per se. A lot of these literary characters, if you read all the epics, mythological epics that we've had, at least the Indian culture, maybe some other cultures too, they've had plenty of characters who have been non-binary or been fluid, going from one gender to the other. So in terms of also reading and writing, that works out. I remember Incident AIDS, in which one of the years they had the show, जिसमें उन्होंने they had depicted they had taken up this cause of homosexuality, and they depicted I think Ardhanarishwara. So that was, so definitely we can borrow a lot from these texts. They are very rich in shall we say queerness, if nothing else. So they're very rich in all that. A lot of them we can perform it in drama, we can perform it in dance, and not just that, we can certainly imagine or start writing new things, start sort of composing, and in some ways arts connect a lot better than, shall we, lecturing. So yeah.
If I talk about art and all, like many a times I have seen, like even in Bollywood or in any industry, like a cisgender man does a cross dressing and show as a transgender, or to a cisgender women they show as a transgender, but they never give a platform for a transgender to represent themselves. You know, so जितने भी चाहे मतलब वेब सीरीज हो या शॉर्ट फिल्म्स हो या मूवीज हो, उनमें एक तो ट्रांसजेंडर्स को विलेन के कैटेगरी में डाला जाता है या उनका मजाक बनाया जाता है। स्पेशली द एलजीबीटीक्यू कम्युनिटी, आज तक लोगों ने हमारा मजाक ही बनाया है, यू नो, कि किसी ने हमारी सच्चाई आज तक सामने लाई नहीं। हमेशा वो बुलिंग, स्टिग्मा, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, वो तो बचपन से। कैन यू इमेजिन आइसोलेशन? इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस पेंडेमिक ना, आइसोलेशन ये हमारे एलजीबीटी के लिए नया नहीं है। पहले दिन से हमें आइसोलेट किया, कितने हजारों सालों से हमें आइसोलेशन में डाला गया था। सोचा था कि चलो अभी सेक्शन 377 हट गया, कुछ अच्छे दिन आएंगे, तो और हम लोग ज्यादा आइसोलेट हो गए। आई वॉन्ट टू टेल, लाइक मैं बचपन में मेरी फैमिली को हमेशा बोलती, कितना भी बड़ा आर्टिस्ट होने दो, कितना भी चाहे बड़ा कलाकार होने दो, हमेशा नटराज के सामने उससे शीश झुकाना ही पड़ता है, यू नो। और स्वयं नटराज स्वयं मतलब अर्धनारी नटेश्वर है, मैं तो एक जस्ट अ स्मॉल किन्नर हूँ। ये सब चीजें, आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग एज एन सोशल एक्टिविस्ट जस्ट बिकॉज जो चीजें मुझे मेरी लाइफ में नहीं मिली, वो हर चीजें मैं मेरे बच्चों को दे के जाऊंगी, यू नो। दैट इज ऑलवेज माई ड्रीम। I don't assure I will build a huge empire for my LGBTQ community, but before I die, I will put one brick from myself. Last year मैंने पुणे में ट्रांसजेंडर मैराथन किया था, 100 ट्रांसजेंडर्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, उसमें 4000 हेट्रोसेक्सुअल सोसाइटी लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। मुझे वो बाउंड्री ही कट करना है। एंड मैंने देखा कि ट्रांसजेंडर्स 15 किलोमीटर 20 किलोमीटर रन कर सकती है, तो मैंने कहा जो जो मुझे मुझे नहीं मिला ये सब मुझे मेरे बच्चों के लिए चाहिए ये सभी चीजें। रोके कुछ नहीं मिलता, अगर रोके मुझे चीजें मिलती ना, मैं एक एक सेकंड में रोती थी, बट आई ऑलवेज सेज माय टीयर्स आर मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन डायमंड्स एंड प्लैटिनम। एक एक गिरेगा तो बहुत भारी में गिरेगा, है ना। Because Nandita Das, she is a very good friend of mine, and we was on same panel discussion once, and she told me like सोनाली वो जमाना था कि जब हम लोग फायर मूवी किया था तो लोगों ने पूरा थिएटर जला दिया था. It was very difficult for to coming out and talking about and showing talking about and showing in films like lesbian, gay, transgender. It was very difficult those days. So nowadays like I really appreciate. मैंने ये बात नंदिता को भी बोली थी कि मतलब सेक्शन 377 तो हट गया. Now even I can say proudly एक लड़के को देखा तो लीगल लगा.
For Hollywood, their struggle, the queer struggle there started as early as the 60s, right? So it's been about 50, 60 years now that they have been talking about it. So maybe after a couple of earlier decades, like 3-4 decades, they found it easier now that it's been a few decades now that they're talking about it. So they find it a lot more easier, even celebrities to come out as themselves, or even for celebrities to be icons or make films more openly about this topic. Because simply we're culturally used to having transgender around us. We may not accept them and all that. As a society, we may be very discriminating towards them, but culturally we know that transgender, even in our Vedic and Puranic literature, there is huge reference.
कि मैं जब पैदा हुई थी, I was like a cupboard, गोदरेज का cupboard. But हाँ, पर उसमें अगर लोग बोलेंगे नहीं तो रेफ्रिजरेटर है तो फ्रिज है और उसमें हम पानी रखेंगे तो वो ठंडा होगा क्या? So same way I am, like you don't have to be someone, just be yourself. See the Khajuraho temple, see the Sun temple in Bhubaneswar, read the Kama Sutra, read the Rigveda, read the Manusmriti. It was always there open. Many people think like, no, this is US culture, this is not an Indian culture. Which culture we are talking about? हमें जो अच्छा लगता है वो हर चीजें हमने करनी चाहिए. लोग क्या सोचेंगे ये देखेंगे तो हम कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. मतलब बच्चों को डांस सिखाने स्कूल में जाती थी तो बहुत लोगों के पेरेंट्स आके बोलते थे अरे वो कौन है, मतलब लड़का है लड़की है समझ में नहीं आता, आप अपने बच्चे उनके पास डांस सिखाने के लिए कैसे भेजते हो? तो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स के जो ये फैमिली पेरेंट्स थे वो बोलते थे वो कुछ भी हो पर हमारे बच्चों को डांस बड़ा अच्छा सिखाती है. बिकॉज आई फील लाइक आर्ट इज द ओनली प्लेस वेयर यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द पीपल. So you should represent through your art. You can come out of that closet and you can show to the people, कि हाँ हम ऐसे हैं. Like trans women cannot use a female washroom in childhood, school, colleges, or a feminine gay boy or a trans man cannot go in a male washroom. So there should be a gender neutral washroom where everyone has a rights to pee. It's in constitutional rights. So like I don't know your college has, but many colleges have started because we have the NALSA judgment from 2014. We should have a gender neutral washrooms in our school, colleges and working places. See, I still remember like I went in the mall for shopping and with one of my gay friend, and my gay friend went in for checking. He went in the male security guard, and I went in the female security guard. That lady was not ready to frisk me. Also, she just see me like something horrible. I just saw like I asked her like just frisk me. Like, why you are not frisking me, or just allow me to go inside? She was like, no, no, like, you people can't go inside. We have such policies where you people cannot enter inside. I said, like, which policy? Just show me the policy where it has been mentioned like transgender peoples are not allowed. You know. So then after that, like, the next day, I went in the mall. I did shopping. I went in the McDonald's. I had a coffee, burger, everything. And while going back, I was telling to that lady like, whatever you did with me, don't do it with anyone. And that lady was telling, no, you're fluent in English, so we allowed you to go inside. I said, like, I didn't able to sleep on whole night. Like, what's wrong with me? Like, just because अगर मेरी जगह कोई और होती तो वो तो मतलब शर्म के मारे वहां से चली जाती कि मैं ऐसे क्यों पैदा हुई. Was it my fault that I am born this way? मैंने कहा नहीं, ये आज मेरे साथ हुआ, आगे जाके किसी के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए. They did a grand welcome for me. They put a red carpet for me to walk inside the mall. And I said, I don't want anything. You have insulted me in front of the people. You have to apologize me in front of the people itself. I just want that written apologize letter. And finally they apologize. I always say, na, love is not a crime. Hate is a crime. Belong to ये सब चीजें होती है. So I always say like love for all and all for love. प्यार के आगे कुछ नहीं होता है. मेरे साथ भी वही हुआ था जो नॉर्मली एलजीबीटीक्यू कम्युनिटी के साथ होता है. Though I came from a middle class family, my dad used to spend so much money on doctor treatments. So many a times, like my dad used to take me to the doctor why my child is behaving so feminine and why he is behaving like this. So many a times, like doctor gave me the male hormones injections, Viagra, they used to put in the milk and whatnot shit they did. And after that, the doctor treatment didn't work. Then they start taking to this tantric people, then jhad folk and all that nonsense things was happening. तो मैंने मेरे पापा को बोला, just stop all these things. I'm born this way. मैं क्यों बदलूं किसके लिए? So after that, like पहले दिन से my mother and my father used to beat me so badly. और उसके बाद में I'm the elder one and I have one sister. And unfortunately, in one car accident, my mother passed away, biological mother. And उसके बाद मैंने ये बोला कि जो being a feminine child, जो मैंने मेरी लाइफ में सहा है, I don't want my sister should face it out. तो मैंने मेरे पापा की 1 महीने के अंदर शादी की. So जब तभी भी सबसे बड़े मेरी लाइफ में जो जीव जंतु कीड़े थे ना, वो मेरे रिलेटिव्स थे. मुझे लगा सिर्फ मेरे होते, बहुत लोगों के होते, खुद का घर का नहीं देखते, बट दूसरों का बड़ा झांकने आते हैं. आपका बच्चा ऐसा है, आपकी बेटी ऐसी है, ये होता ही है. तो मैंने मेरे पापा की शादी की और मुझे लोगों ने तभी भी बोला कि सौतेली माँ आएगी, ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. Then first day when my stepmother came and she saw me, like she on the first look she can recognize like ये transgender है. तो मेरी stepmother ने मेरे पापा को बोला कि सोनाली को जैसा है वैसी रहने दो. What she wants, she just want to enjoy her femininity now. Let her enjoy her femininity. And she came like a fairy in my life. She gave me the entire freedom. जो मैं बचपन से चाहती थी कि मैं, my parents should accept me as a girl and not as a boy. I'm working on transgender bill, and unfortunately, it's a trans act now, which is a regressive bill. Which is against the community and which the community does not want it. Because, like they have made so many things like SRS surgery compulsory and all. Many a transgender cannot afford that SRS surgery. When we have the NALSA judgment. Hello?
Yeah, hello, yeah.
Yeah, when we have the NALSA judgment, to choose our gender identity, why all these things, SRS surgery and all these things? Because fine, like we are from metro cities, but what about the transgenders who are in village side? They don't know the meaning of an SRS, sex reassignment surgery and all, and it's very expensive. And there is lots of things in transgender bill. We are going to file a petition against that. We don't want it. Like we will put an RTI on that, like to ask when we already have a Supreme Court judgment, why we want all this trans bill and all. In that bill, they have mentioned like if a woman is getting raped, the person will be punished for 2 years or maximum lifetime, and if a transgender is getting raped, the person will be punished maximum 2 years or minimum 6 months. See, as I told, like I'm an artist. Like I always say, like being an artist, like that is the only platform where you can represent yourself and share your feelings in front of the people and in front of the people and just be yourself. You know, don't change for the people. Let the people change for you, which I always say. I'm never going to change for someone. Let somebody change for me. You know.
Well, those of you who attended it and those of you who may eventually see this, I just want to say that, particularly to the closeted individuals, times are changing. You will definitely find more strength in being able to in coming out in the future. So don't lose hope. Secondly, I would say that forgive yourself for not knowing how to be a certain way. Or, for instance, right now that I'm out and proud, I can confidently answer a police back. But for instance, if you're unable to do that, it's fine. Just forgive yourself for the time being and go ahead. It's you will have a longer way to go ahead with. And just like Shanali said, don't change for anyone. Love yourself first, and then love everyone else, because love
Yeah.
is love.